Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Work Supply Company. Today I have for you a very, very unique tractor, cool tractor. This is a Massey Ferguson 240 four-wheel drive. So, this tractor has, I think it's 1,881 original hours on it. It is original paint as far as the chassis, the hood, the fenders. We did paint the wheels. The silver on the wheels kind of faded out real bad. We did paint the bucket. It has an 832 quick attach Massey Ferguson loader. The loader is run off the rear remotes, off of your two remote joysticks here. Does have a quick attach on the front. It is a quick release, quick detach. You'll pull a lever here, and it will allow you to quick detach off and hook onto a set of 44-inch forks, very heavy-duty built forks. History of this tractor: I've known this tractor since I was a young guy. A local man by the name of Rick Sharman actually had bought this tractor brand new to my knowledge from Long Neckers, which would be our local Massey Ferguson dealer. He was a battery man. He sold interstate batteries and Deca batteries here in our area. He is retired, had moved to Florida, sold his property. Tractor went with the property. They traded this tractor into me here just a few weeks ago on a skid loader. This tractor is in very nice shape. It is a four-wheel drive tractor. It is original rubber to the tractor. There is a dent over here in this one fender we're going to show you. We just serviced this tractor. I changed all the filters and oils in it. We went over it. I did put a new battery in it. The tractor is not welded, busted. The cylinders aren't leaking. It is a four-wheel drive tractor. It's 46 horse, non-admissions, and it was taken care of by a local gentleman here, a Grove boy that does a lot of service work in the area, is Massey Nut. He has kept the maintenance up on this tractor, and it is a very good running, working tractor. We're going to start you up here around the engine on the transmission tractor housing and stuff. There's really not a lot of panels to open up on this tractor, other than right here at the battery cover. And yes, we did put a new battery in, battery tie down, everything is there and hooked up. This is kind of a very simple hood setup that these clip into. If I can get that to line back up. That's all there is to it. There are some scratches on the hood. There is some weathering. Rick always kept this thing in a shed. The new owners kind of left it set out some, and you can see there are some marks on the hood. But it is still original paint. Up underneath here, you can see in the last 2 years they did put a new starter on it. It does have a block heater. This is a Perkins 2.5 liter 3-cylinder diesel. Starts excellent. But this is all original paint. On the axles, you can see original paint. Up front, that is a weight hanger bracket. Again, Massey Ferguson 832 quick attach loader with this quick attach system. 72-inch front bucket. Cutting edge is excellent. Pallet forks right there. Again, they're 46-inch adjustable carriage pallet forks. We did change engine oil in it. Rotella 15W40. It is four-wheel drive. There's your front shaft. Up front, this has a 10 by 80 by 16. That's an 18 front tire. Like an industrial style looking tire, and in the rear they are a 14.924. It is category 1 3-point hitch, category 1 top link is on it, drawbar is on it, 540 PTO, all original. Here is your two sets of rear remotes. You can uncap or unplug them and run that for an implement. It is currently running the loader. It does have a folder roll bar. Here is the fender I'm talking about. It got a little gemmed up. I know probably what happened. He had a nice back blade, which we have for sale for this, actual Massey Ferguson back blade. I think he got up against a tree. Something happened when he was using that back blade. He primarily used this for some snow removal back in his lane. Original seat, suspension style seat. Over here is going to be your PTO in and out, park brake. Everything there works excellent. Full drive in and out. Up and down for your 3-point hitch. On the dash end of it, you can see here all original Massey gauges, and they all work. The little Massey light bar here, if you're a Massey guy, you will appreciate this tractor because they are becoming hard to find nice stuff. Zinc plating, believe it or not, is still on the up and down draft control for the 3-point hitch. Again, there's one light bracket over here, I know, or light lens that is cracked. It still works. All the lights work. Rubber front's going to be 75%. Rears are about 60%, 65%. But sheet metal wise, sheet metal is very nice other than that back fender. So I am going to fire it up here. We're going to run through its gears. I'll show you the full drive works. This has a 2-stage clutch in it. So we'll fire him up here and put him through his gears. guys, there you have it. Tractor starts, runs, and works very good. It is a non-emissions tractor. Yes, that tractor will still roll coal. No, it doesn't have any abnormal smoke. That is black smoke. It's not white smoke. It's not blue smoke. That is fuel smoke. Tractor starts and runs excellent. All the gears, it actually shifts very well. Rear tires are loaded. Tractor, loader, forks, 832 quick attach loader, 240, four-wheel drive, Cat 1.3 Point Hitch, 2 sets of rear remotes, which is plumbed to your loader, but you could unplug them and use them. Be a great little Ted tractor, great small hay-in tractor. You do have the loader for doing utility work, and the big deal is it's four-wheel drive. And I think I'm asking a very fair price for this tractor. If you have any questions, you want to come by and see it yourself in person, there's a switch right there to shut off for those work lights. Glad to help you in any way that we can. Understand, it is a very nice straight tractor. Anybody has any questions, give us a call, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. I appreciate everybody taking a look at our stuff. I'm glad to help you in any way that we can. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much. Have a great day.